You're watching the Weiss channel. Da, 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 da. All right, today we're going to talk about multiplying polynomials by monomials. Basically, that's the same thing as what we call distributing. Before we talk about that, I have two things I want to show you. First one is, if I say f of x is 2x plus 9, and g of x is 6x minus 4, and I say what's g of x minus f of x, does it make sense that I'm going to just take g of x, which is 6x minus 4, and minus the quantity of f of x, which is 2x plus 9? I get 6x minus 4 minus 2x minus 9. Combining, I get 4x minus 13. Over here, what is the degree of each polynomial? All you got to do is take the highest exponent. What's the highest exponent here? 3. What's the highest exponent here? This is x to the first, 1. What's the highest exponent here? 8. Is there any exponent here? No, 0. That's the degree of each. Okay. All right. If I have an apple and a banana and I buy 3 packages of apple, 1 apple and 1 banana, would you agree I have 3 apples and 3 bananas? So if I have an A and a B and I buy 3 of them, I have 3A plus 3B. If I have an A and a 7 and I buy 3 of them, I got 3 A's and 3 7's, but that makes 3A plus 21, right? Negative 3 times A plus 7 is negative 3A minus 21. Negative 3 times A minus 7 is negative 3A plus 21. Okay. So if we multiply, we take 4 times 2 is 8 with the A. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. Done. That's called distributing. I give 4 to the 2A and 4 to the minus 3. That's it. 3 times 2x minus 7. I get 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. 6x minus 21. 5a times negative 3a plus 4. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. But a times a is a to the second. We just take a to the first and a to the first and make it a to the second. 5a times 4, 5 times 4 is 20. There's no a over here, but there is an a here, so we just put it in my answer. 5a times 4 is 20a. All right. Once again, 6n times this, 6n times this, 6n times this. What's 6n times negative 2n squared? Well, 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. What's n times n to the second? N to the third. Why? Because there's one n here. There's 2 n's here. Put it together, you got 3 n's. 6n times negative 3n. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. N times n is n to the second. 6n times 7 is 42 with the n. Done. That's all you do. Negative 2d to the fourth times 7d to the second minus 5d plus 3. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. 4d's, 2d's, right? D to the fourth, d to the second. Add 4 plus 2 to get 6. Negative times a negative is a positive. 2 times 5 is 10. D to the fourth times d to the first is d to the fifth. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. D to the fourth and no d's just leaves me with d to the fourth. Done. Negative 11y to the third times 3y to the fourth minus 4y squared minus 5. Okay, Negative 11 times 3, negative 33, y to the 7th. Negative 11 times negative 4, positive 44, y to the 5th. Negative 11 times negative 5, positive 55, y to the 3rd. Negative 5n squared times negative 2n makes positive 10 n to the 3rd. Negative 5 times negative 7, positive 35, n to the 6th. Negative 5, positive 4, negative 20, n to the 2nd. 9p to the 4th times 8p to the 3rd. 9 times 8 is 72, p to the 7th. 9 times negative 7, negative 63, p to the 4th times p to the 5th. 9p to the 4th times 5 is 45, p to the 4th. You've been watching the Weiss channel.